Hello everyone and welcome to Ivy's Coupon Camp. And today we are at Walgreens and this is Scenario Thursday. So if you want to see some quick, small scenarios, then come along with me. And there we are at the Walgreens and we're walking into it. Now remember guys, when I get in here, I'm going to have a mask on. I'm going to try to talk as loud as I can. But if I can't get, loud, I try to muffle the phone. I do not want to get copyright. They hit me with 2 copyrights for Walgreens, and it was nothing in the background, so I don't know what's going on. Okay, grab one of these, and as you can see, it's a digital. So we'll grab that. So they got some good little deals out, guys. All you gotta do is just look. But it's a lot of deals out on Ramel. Ramel had a $2 off. Okay, here's some more orange tags, and this is Sally Hansen, $1.49. These are $1.49. Those are $2.49. These are $2.49. Something here at Sally Hansen was $2.49. I don't know what it was. It was Sally Hansen though, $2.49. So I'm in a different Walgreens. I'm in the Walgreens that's like 7 minutes away from my house. And those deals are pretty good. This is not the Walgreens I had you all in the other day. So the next deal we're going to do is, oh wow, they raised that up, huh? I won't be doing that big deal. Well, I was going to do the big deal, $1, but these are $3.99 each with card and instant coupon in the store. They raised that, so that won't work for me. I'm not gonna get that. Oh, here it is right here. So we're gonna use the big coupon in the store that's by Walgreens, and then we're gonna use the big that's in the newspaper. But since I have a digital or the $2 one and then a digital, the Walgreens, we're gonna get this one. Plus we got a coupon on there. Yay! So that's one deal we're gonna do. Okay, and then we're gonna do the degree deal. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. They are buy one. I thought they was buy one get one 50%, but it's should be, but this one don't say it. Let's see. That one's 105. This one might not be it, but that's okay because it's $3.49 for 2. We got $2.50 off coupon. But I am gonna grab some more degree. Okay. I want to get this out, man. And it's still gone $3.79. That would work too, but that's if you spend 10,000 points. This is just if you buy 4 of these, you get 4,000 points. So let's see what else is down here before we run and jump and get it. We could do the men's degree, that because I do have a $1 coupon on that one, and it might not be. It might not be 50% off. Let me see. Not even on the X. It's $5.99. That one is $5.99. That's high to me. Okay, so I'm gonna get 2 men's and 2 ladies degree. They got all these orange tags on the flat irons. $13. Whoa, that one $27. I know I wouldn't get that. And these is $22. The Infinity flat iron. I remember I used to be crazy about flat irons. I don't really do them anymore though. Orange tag on Pantene, $3.89. That's a good deal because we got a coupon for that. Okay, I do see some orange tags right here. Ooh, they're kind of steep. That was a Burt's Bees. Well, we got that last time. Remember, that's it right there. The exfoliating clays. So we don't need to get that. That's a good deal right there. Something $6.49. Woo, hydrating stick? No, baby, we won't be getting that one. So let's just see. Let's walk down the other aisle and see what they got. Okay. So, y'all quit judging me for coming down the aisle way quick. Y'all know I gotta walk. Okay, but I still love you. You're still honest, and that's what I like. Okay, we are not gonna do any toothpaste deals today. I just don't. I didn't get ready for them, and this is right now. I need to do these deals and get out of here right quick. Okay. They still got a limit of 4 on it. Of course, well, that's the deal. I don't understand why that's a problem right here. They keep on saying limit of this, limit of that. The pandemic is over. It's the way I see that. And I don't feel like we have to limit anymore. And they still limit and stuff. So sometimes that's just what it is. Okay? So we're going to go ahead on and take it for what it is. Okay. I like to go down this aisle because they have a lot of orange tags. But this is my Walgreens that I go to a lot. And as you can see, they put all the orange tags. Okay. But I do have a lot of tissue today down there. Okay. Yep, here's the orange tags right here. Mucinex. I got all kind of orange tags. Cold. This is a lot of cold and flu stuff they had before up in here. That's $10. $3.59. I would pay the extra little 20 cents and get the good ones. Those still $1.19. So I mean, oh, this is new. That's the eye mask, $2.89. That's for your eyes, especially if you have migraines. That's good for migraines, and it's $2.89. Oh, look at that, 81 milligram of aspirin for $2.99. Okay, so we have some new ones here. Let's see what else. That's a new one. Let's see, that's $3.99 for this whole set. Look, day and night cream. That's $3.99. Then you got all these, any Delson. Delson is very expensive. And I guess this is equivalent to Delson right there, supposedly. Okay. So you got Bayer, $5.99. Hot and cold wraps, 10, 13, 17. Arthritis pain, $10.49. Something was there for $4. It was Bengay vanishing scent. Oh, that ain't bad right there. Okay, whatever stop pain is, that was on sale. Look at that, joint and release inflammation, $9. Those are for people who have knee problems. You can get that. You can get all of that. Look at that, microfilter system, $9.97. Or wall fed, $4.89. Then you got Rest Calm is $5.99. Those are those calming pills. I wonder what they got in them to make you calm. Because I be done tried that stuff because I am just that crazy to do that. Oh, they got these for $5.99. The VitaFuse and Sleep Well. That's a good deal. Then Breathe More, Snore Less. $10.99. These Adderalls. So Sleep Aid, $5.49. That ain't no bad deal. Okay, Gripe Water, $5.99. My daughter gonna need that, honey. 2 babies, honey. She gonna need that one. Hi, Leslie, because I know you're listening to me. Okay, look at the Epsom salt. It's $1.69. That's the orange tag. If you all use Epsom salt, good deal right there for that. One of these oils was $3.70. What is that? Lemon oil. It was $3.79. Regular price $7. Okay, now here's the boost. It's $1.09 again. So I'm gonna grab one of these. The last time I bought it, it was one. I forgot what it was, but I'm gonna get this last one because I did get those other ones away to one of my mother's friends. She battled cancer, but she's doing good now. Okay, more orange tags down to food. Oh, those the candy bars. I told you I don't mess with those. But this kind of like, I saw it coming early in the morning, and I started finding a lot of the orange tags then. Remember I told you early bird catch the worm. Here you go. Those a good deal. Them $5.49. $2 off coupon, $3. That's $4.79. I would have got that. Maxwell, $4.69. Mac Cafe, $3.79. These the same ones that was up here before. So, I mean, at your own risk, buy. Remember I told you guys, do price comparisons. Look at that, $3.59 for Kellogg. When you can go to a Dollar Tree and get them for 50 cents like I did. Go watch my last Dollar Tree video. You're going to see me get good cereal. Cheerios, General Meal for 50 cents and Lucky Charms. Hey, look at that, guys. I came back around. The Burt's Beeswax is $4.39. You could buy 2 of these and get 1 free. That's a good deal right there. That Burt's Beeswax lotion. Okay, guys, so we are back in our car, and we had some fantastic scenarios that went through and did very well. So I'm going to start with this one, which is the 4 degrees. You know, you have to buy 4 of these and you get 4,000 points back. Now, let me show you what I did. I got the degree. Okay. Oh, those coupons did that? Okay. Subtotal was $8.10. I used $5 out of pocket. So $3.10, because you all know I don't do taxes, right? Okay, so $3.10 for 3 big. And bam, I got my 4,000 points, and I redeemed 5,000 points. So I'm still at $20. I'm good on that one. Now, the reason why, before anybody say Dollar General had these for 60 cents. Yes, they did. But this is the thing. It needs to be there. When I do my Dollar General video on Tuesday for penny items and freebies, so go watch that video. I do one every Tuesday, Dollar General, penny items and freebies. And it was not there. Somebody had already came and racked it up. They did the axe and they did the degree. So it wasn't there, guys. So that's why you saw that I did not do it, okay? And then I'm also talk a little about why I didn't do the game deal, which is very obvious. It was too much out of pocket to me. That's why I didn't do it. I mean, a lot of people, I had some family say, hey, you ain't do the game at Dollar General. Yeah, I want to get it cheaper. Okay, now the next thing I did was the Maybelline Baby Lips. Now, look at this, guys, because the Baby Lips is, she put them in too, but they are $3.99. Buy 2, you get a $5 registered reward. The subtotal was $7.98. I paid $5 in points and $3.78 out of pocket, and I got a $5 registered reward. So this is money for the upcoming week, okay? Now, the next deal that we're going to do, the scenario that we did, was the big deal. And look, I got a coupon. Yay! And then I had $1 off big on the app, which it did not give me the $2 manufacturer big, guys. So watch it. It gave, let me see what it gave me. And I also bought, let me see, 2 Kit Kats. And you know, we had the 88 cents off, and they're 88 cents a piece. So 44 cents a piece for the Kit Kats. I can indulge for a minute. Okay, so those was 88 cents. Then I got the big, they were $3.99. It was $1 off. See, the IVC coupon came off. And then the big twin manufacturer coupon was $2. Oh my God. Then the other wait a minute. And then there was another one for $2. I don't know what that was for, guys. So that might be a glitch. That might be a glitch. I don't know what it was for. It looked like they took the Bic off. I gave her a paper Bic coupon because she said the $2 one didn't come off. But look, it took it off. So that's glitching. Those are free if you could get it. Subtotal was $1.14. I'm good. I'm good. I went ahead and paid that out of my pocket and was fine with that. Now, the reason why I did not do the Dollar General game was because I thought it was way too much out of pocket. If I do that deal, I'm gonna truly have to do it when on Saturday with the 5 off 25 deal. Okay, I'm on a budget. I don't want to pay that much out of pocket because I just don't. And then I've been lately, you know, I be selling my bundles. I've been having tons of people ask me for Tide. So I've been eating up the Tide deal, what I did about a week ago, where it's buy 3, get 1 free, and you use the coupons. Another thing in Walgreens, I didn't get any of those clipped coupons that is going around. I did not get, I got those $10 off of the Crest white strips. I got like 10 of those. But I didn't get anything else. I'm still gonna do a scenario on Thursday, and I'm still gonna do my haul on Sunday. But I did not get any of those scenarios, any of those clippings. Hopefully it'll come before then. If not, I'm not gonna worry about it. Thanks guys for tuning in. Hit like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this Walgreens video, because I certainly did. Bye.